One of the big things I always get asked is, can I have crypto inside my self-managed superannuation fund? First thing, I don't have crypto in my fund, but that's a personal preference for me. But I do know a lot of people who've done extremely well with cryptocurrencies inside their fund. The fundee that I've written 5 deeds now, but I was the first person in the world ever to draft in digital currencies and digital assets, including NFTs, into my SMSF trust deed way back in 2010, and just after Bitcoin was essentially started. So when we put crypto in, we need to put it in. We need to make sure it's secure, so using an exchange, or if you're using a wallet, the wallet again is secure. But more importantly, making sure that our investment strategy is up to date. If your investment strategy doesn't specifically go through the ins and outs of crypto, then there's a significant danger there from the Australian Taxation Office, and more importantly, the auditor of the fund may put a black check against that particular investment. So crypto is good, depends on whether you're having Ethereum, whether you're having Solana, Tether, one of the Bitcoin obviously, or you've got NFTs. Great strategies, but again, just be very careful about it. Be mindful that this is your super. Again, you can choose what to invest in, but you've got to make sure you do it really well. Grant Abbott, signing off.